Opportunity to hand over this vehicle to the driver who will be using it as his asset.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okurjira twembi topista orikura office yokurwanira obugabe bw'abantu ahabwambarira yagira ngu batwire biine okuteganisibwa omukora emirimo yaabo ahabwo bitagira ntambura.
Twine okugumirwa ahabwokuba kutubire ntuura ahabaho kuribatira obugabe bw'abantu tubura okutwazayo atoshanga nitwe ntudependinga aha banyamahure otera nk'aba TV obani tayari TV obani radio tayari oba TV West hato yenda ngo bari bo wabona information abo kubiwe kurujira tokubasa kushikayo mwe tubire tutakwefunira makuru physically konko butwafuna imotoka ahitora benture cyaba ntuza kuba ntushikayo.
Oguya agira ngo office yambara netwara za districts z'urukiko muri 12 omuri burenje bw'izoba niko kuhiga abantu kubagikozesa bahwerwe kandi obuhereza n'obwabusha
bw'izoba office eje yambara netwara umwanya muhango districts 12 otire muna city eyambara city mbwenu ahiwo kuboro bugabe bwawe niburi batirirwa tushikire twija kuvuga tushikeho turebe ngo kiri kuteganisa cyabasa okukorwaho twatunga obusinge.
Topista twembi nko yasima government ahabo kubatekatekaho bakabaha entambura nangwa n'omuntu wa burijo obugabe bwe burukurubatirwa
ahabo kuba mirimo yitukora nturwanira obugabe bw'abantu omuntu yijo mu office ninga batugambira ito tukagenda okwe kuza kumuronda konka tubire twine kizibu cyo butatambura ahabwo kubura entambura mwenu nka office twashemerwa batuhereza motoka netusima government of Uganda netusima bakamabita bakusama office yitenkuru abali mu chairperson na commissioners na directors nabandi abantu bakuru mu office nka transport officer witu o consideringa office yitu akatuhereza okutwa kubasa kutambura.
We oshitigaratib orukure byentambura mu kitongore eki omukhaye motoka eji nawe yasima government ahabo bwezi abo ko batwire nibatungo kwetombwita kuruga office yambara kubatine kubasa kushira abantu ombyange ebyo.
I want to take this opportunity to thank the government of the Republic of Uganda for providing funds to acquire this new machine. Mbarara Regional Office has been having a lot of challenges of transport to the extent that our staff could not be able to go to the field to investigate cases or to follow any matters, cases arising on a daily basis. But with this vehicle available, everything now is going to be very okay. They will be facilitated well, the fuel is there, the car is brand new.
Emotoka eje kika Hilux yaretwa Oshitigaratib orukure byentambura omu kitongore eki kandi yagikwasa Topista twembi orukura office yambara. Amakuru agagasha kwa Ian akankwasa abwatayali West omurimbara.